What's up everyone, welcome back to in today's video you are going to see how to add song in Instagram post for multiple photos. As you can see, I have already selected multiple numbers of photos to post on my Instagram account, and here once I am here in the new post section, there I can see option add music, so go for it. Here if you search for any type of music or any genre or any type of artist or any sort of song, you will get to just search from it here and you will get them. And yeah, just click on your desired song and that will be added. Suppose I'm searching for this fainted one. So once this is added, just click on the check button, and then all you have to do is share this and your song will be added to your post for your multiple photos. And that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned with us.